welcome.
Hi.
Me.
It's me and
Karina. We're back with Karina and Jordan's video.
And we have some sand and slime that we're gonna play with you. Let me stuff it in your face.
See that delicious slime. Wait, do that thing. Go over the camera.
Look at all that sand.
Here,
poke
it. Looks like they're poking it. Poke.
Yes, poke the sand.
Now bury my finger.
Yes.
It's getting on the rug. Also, we're in our room because apparently this is my room. Because we apparently record here because we didn't know where else to record at.
Yes. Obviously. Isn't this so satisfying to you guys out there? And please, if you like this video, give it a lot of thumbs up. And
subscribe because we only have like 2 subscribers because no one that been watching our videos don't think you're slick, okay?
Yes, we really need subscribers. Please subscribe. Subscribe!
Because don't think I see you. I can literally see you not subscribing. So I will come to your house and bust down your door and make you subscribe and you don't subscribe. You better subscribe right now. I will literally do it if they don't subscribe. Because we only have like 2 subscribers.
Making me laugh and cry at the same time. You're making me laugh and cry.
You see the slime? You see the sticky slime?
It's actually kinetic sand.
It looks like that. You see this?
It's sand.
It's purple.
But guys, look at what it does in my hand. It just inflates.
Inflatable.
Let's shot some slime. I mean some sand on the carpet. I have to spit that up.
Also, this is Jordan's slime. We just mix like pink and
Actually, it's not slime. It's sand. Yeah, that.
Yeah, we mix like pink and blue. Actually, fun fact: pink, blue make purple.
Yes, it does.
Big brain. That's a big brain moment.
Big brain.
That's a big brain moment.
So, if you want to see us doing another
slime or sand or whatever, like.
Whatever video you want us to do, comment down below and subscribe so we will do it just for you guys, just for you.
Also, don't think you're slick. I can see you. I can see if you're subscribing or not. So you better subscribe or I'll come busting down your door.
Yes, do that. And I will bust down your door even harder and bust down your window if I can't get through your door.
And we'll take your money.
And we'll take your phone for a few seconds or whatever you have, and then we'll make you guys subscribe.
You know, subscribe. We're going to drown you into the slime. We're going to drown you into the sand. Yeah.
Yeah, that just happened for no exact reason.
We'll drown you in the sand. We'll grab so much sand that you can barely breathe over it.
Yes.
We'll fill your whole room, and then you can breathe.
Okay,
we'll bury you in it.
What do you want to blog about?
The sand.
Yes. I'm gonna cover your fingers.
No. I'm trying to touch the sand. So the people can look like, oh my god, I'm touching sand. It feels like so cool.
Woo. Wait, poke it. Beep. Beep, beep, bat, bat, bat.
I'm doing when they do that, like, wait.
I kind of hear it making noise. Ooh.
Do you guys hear that?
Do you guys hear that sound? It's kind of like making noise where we're at, but I don't know if the camera's picking up the noise from the slime.
Okay, hold up. Quiet. Yeah, it should hear it now.
Yes.
Wait. I'm gonna get a great idea.
What are you? Yes, just flatten that. Oh, I should make.
We got little LOL over here.
Yes, it's all purple now.
You mean pink?
Yes, pinkish purple. Girl, I'm trying to cut the sand so
I'm
I can
eating
make
it.
a pie.
Ow!
Eat it.
Ah!
Wait, block me?
Yay! You just eat the LOL across the room. She's all the way over there.
Well, she was kind of being annoyed. She was eating sand while we were trying
Now
to
here's
vlog.
the satisfying part. Zoom into the sand.
Yes.
Zoom into that delicious sand. No, press.
Your hand is in the way.
Press the sand.
Girl.
Move your head.
Wait, they have to get all in the face. Yes. Get it all in your face.
I don't know why we're recording a slime video or sand or whatever you
Whatever
want to call
it's
it.
called.
We'll call it
But
slam
guess
slime.
what? Shady, you want to tell them the big news?
Yeah.
That happened today.
Yep. And the bad news, probably that turns into the good news.
No, not that. The other news.
Oh yeah. Also, guess what? Jordan had a... Wait, not Jordan. My sister had a baby.
Yeah.
And that'd be so exciting. Also, I'm gonna act like this LOL when I don't want to show my face sometimes.
Yes.
One day we may do like a video where we go into one of our favorite Roblox. We go to every Roblox and like try, and we'll like do everything, and we'll like change our skin to make our. One day.
I'm also playing with sand.
Also, yeah, like in the sky, if you want us to do like a video when where we like pick our favorite LOL, and then we go like to a random game where we can like dress up, and then we'll try like dressing up as the LOL we picked.
If you subscribe and hit that notification button
And like our channel, because you want to see more Karina and Jordan's videos. Also, one day Jordan's gonna make her own character. You guys know when I recorded a video, and I have an outro. I have the outro where not like the beginning of the outro. I have like an end outro. Even though my channel looks like a legendary dark werewolf. Yeah, that's what my character is. Even though my character did not even look nothing like my thing, because that's because I'm changing my character each day. So yeah.
So I'm just playing with the sand over her. Up. Just dropping it too. Girl, stop getting your face in the sky.
I'm trying to take a picture. Ooh, work it.
Don't
Oh my god. Move out the way.
Wait. Your favorite color.
Okay, good. Yeah, girl, pose it. Mm. 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 Mm.
I'll put it pink.
Turn it on.
Right.
Turn it on. Turn it. Turn it on. Turn it on. Okay, I'll turn it on. I'll turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on. Beep. What's this? Thank you.
It's not pink.
I don't care if they want the photos.
Look at the sand, everybody.
I zoomed into the sand.
Yes. Zoom into the sand while I'm dripping it. Ah! We're not going on the carpet anymore. Oh, I should put another book here so it won't like drip onto the... Okay, I am gonna smush it for you guys. Ah! mush. And then
we've been recording for 10 minutes.
Yes. I don't know how that's possible. It feels like we just recorded just now. Not.
Anyway, like and subscribe. Comment down below for part 2. Goodbye.
Yes.